Hiya. See? Ohio.
Hi everybody.
I'm in the back with the kids.
In the back, we're in the adventure van. We got the boat in tow.
This is our first real adventure in the adventure van.
Yeah, and there's so many things that can go wrong because we've had so many issues with the adventure
So many
van.
have gone wrong so far. We are going to Ohio to meet up with some family before the girls start school again. And on the way there, we're going to stop at some caves.
Hey.
The girls have always wanted to go to a cave. And I found one that's right on the way. We don't have to go out of our way at all.
Look, you can go. We never got to go on a real cave.
No, never.
On a real cave.
In.
Not on a real cave.
Our first stop is breakfast, but before we stop for breakfast, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Hey there, handsome.
Hi.
Heard you might need some help. Yep.
I hope you have a part that looks like this.
I didn't open the box. Wouldn't know what I was looking at if I did.
Oh, look, a Beck and Harley. That's a factory.
Oh, it was quite pricey.
Yeah.
Quite pricey.
Hopefully it's this. It's the only other thing that could do it is the fuel pump.
Is what?
Fuel pump.
That's worse, I imagine.
No, that I can get from in between, but just another part you'd have to buy, and I don't know. I mean, we got a parts store in walking distance right now.
It's not, I'm hot. It's 105 degrees outside.
Yeah, I'm laying on hot asphalt. Kids are screaming. I'm asking them to find wipes, and they're in there playing. Daddy, I can't get you wipes because we're playing.
Did Max at least stop crying?
I made him a bottle.
Phew. Yeah, it's hot. So, Chelsea the adventure van has failed us on our first trip out. But hopefully, oh, I'm filming up your shorts. Hopefully this fixes it and we can get on the road. We're gonna miss our cave trip. No question there. We were trying to make it, but we're gonna miss it. Thank goodness Will's handy. So we'll try to, if we get this fixed, we'll try to get the caves on the way home. What's the matter? Did you lose a socket?
I lost my bit. Oh, there it is.
Kibbles and bits?
No, not my kibbles and bits. I lost this screw bit.
Okay. I'm gonna go in the van where it's not sunny. Good luck. Hey guys.
What are you doing?
Ah! Whoa, careful. Filming you. Because it's our first adventure on our trip. Oh, is that delicious?
I could only eat one of them.
You what?
I could only eat one of them.
And now you're full? Alright, I'll take care of them for you.
Mama,
Yeah.
why are you just washing all over here?
That man? That's Bob. Yeah, we can go to kids. We're in Bob's furniture store.
Everywhere.
Because he's Bob of Bob's Furniture. He owns Bob's Furniture. And so he's got himself all over. The van is still kaput and these kids are melting hot. So Will's trying to fix it and we are pretending to buy furniture. Because there's air conditioning. And if I can find it, I think Bob's has ice cream. Oh, you do like those.
What's in here?
Ice cream. Is it? Yeah, it's ice cream.
Mama, how much can I get? One?
just take one for now.
I don't get any.
Do you want ice cream, guys?
Yes.
All right, we got rescued. We got rescued by some of Will's family that lives here in New Jersey. Hi, Emma. So we're gonna maybe spend the night here. I don't know, but they have a pool. They're gonna take us in.
We're just gonna.
We're pathetic.
We're just gonna. Wait, are they gonna bring us in like right now?
Dad's parking the boat. We have the boat back there, and I don't know. We're just gonna hang here. Will's gonna see if he can get this thing going. Emma is always singing. See if we can get the adventure van going again and get back on the road. Whether it's to Ohio or back home, I don't know. But we'll see what we can do. Wish us luck. Okay, we're back in the van.
I got a part, and it's been going good.
Yes, it's been going good so far. At this,
We haven't stopped, like we haven't been breaking down in a long time.
yeah, I think at this point in the trip, when we first started out, it had already started dying on us. So far so good.
I hope it stays like that.
Not been super fun.
Going down 47 miles.
Okay, and wait, how many miles are we from our house?
By the end of our trip, we'll be about 600 miles from home. But thank goodness Will is handy.
Ohio's actually that long.
Ohio's very far, yes. It's a 10-hour drive. Next is Pennsylvania, and then we gotta get through that, and it'll be Ohio. And then I don't know how far into Ohio we're going, but New Jersey?
Yeah. So we gotta get past New Jersey to get to Ohio.
We gotta get this kid a map. Can you point it out on the next one?
I can, though it's reverse because actually it's not reverse because I have my reverse camera on. So we were here, and then we went down to this little nugget here to New Jersey, and we have to go through Pennsylvania to get to Ohio. I don't know, it looks lovely and green and lush. Alright, that's it. Wish us luck, and
He sounds so deflated.
I feel deflated. I'm nervous because Will said he is 90% confident in this fix.
I said 89.
He said 89, okay, so we've got 11% that my family is going to be stuck on the side of the road hundreds of miles from home. So I'm a little bit deflated, but I'm trying my best to stay positive, and hopefully we make it there. Yes, we want to see Aunt Allie and Uncle Mark and Zachary so bad that we're doing this. Sometimes Will takes his foot off the gas, and I think it's happening again, and
I know.
I have to
Me.
pucker up a little.
Well, those are like storm clouds next, so.
Yeah, we think that what was wrong with the van was a heat issue because we were driving, you know, it was a big heat wave. It was like over 100 degrees out. And the last time we were driving in a heat wave, the same thing happened, but I guess we never fixed it.
You know, when you're going somewhere and it's winter, you know, like when it's winter, if you go somewhere that there's a bunch of rocks there, there's like, it looks like a frozen waterfall.
Yep.
Yeah, it's very cool.
We love the frozen waterfalls on the rocks. Yeah, that's it. Hopefully our next check-in with you guys is from our Airbnb in Ohio. Past the welcome to Pennsylvania sign.
Yeah.
We were too slow to get video though. Daddy didn't warn us.
Mama,
Yeah? never sleep. You can certainly give it a go. Out. 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 No, I'm just kidding. He's driving. It's a little hard to see anything because it's nighttime now. Nighttime on day 2 of our travel, but we finally made it to Ohio. We're in Ohio. It was too dark, so I didn't film the sign. But we're watching some Bluey. Max has a bottle.
We made it to our trip.
Well,
Our trip has ended.
not true. We have 2 hours left. Max is not having a super great time.
No. He's been crying a lot.
He's been screaming like a pterodactyl for a few hours now. It's been pretty painful. But 2 hours left. We can do it, right, guys?
Yeah.
We can do it.
We can.
Cece took a pretty giant nap. Still sleepy though, huh, Boo?
So we're home. The cycle is your feet. So if we wake him up, Addie will have to go up here again.
But this is where the whoa. Are you okay?
Oh no.
Holy cow! I caught that on video.
Who knows?
Are you all right?
Yeah. I think this is a little harder than
Just go slow, okay?
Oh, this is
Somehow the people that decorated this house knew that Cecilia loves dinosaurs. No, there's no TV. Daddy will figure that out. He'll bring his laptop in or something. Maybe he could put the laptop on the table. The girls fall asleep with a TV every night. They got these sweet bunk beds. You want to see where I'm sleeping? Turtle. Yes, there's a turtle on the wall. My favorite. Yes. That's Zach's room. Yeah, go this way. Okay. So this is mine and Will's room, and also Max is gonna sleep with us. This is the softest rug I've ever felt in my life. What's that noise? What's that sound?
Maybe it's just
This pretty mirror.
Wait.
Oh, and there's me. Hi guys. Hi guys.
Wait, what if it's
Oh, and another mirror. Oh my gosh, I'm everywhere. It's not. It's coming from the hallway. Oh, it's probably Zach's noise machine. All right, let's go back downstairs before we get in trouble. Go, go, go.